fatty acids. So we have basically three forms of fatty acids. One is short chain fatty acid, which is actually produced by your gut microbes when you consume, dietary fiber and inulin, right? So these gut microbes produce something called butyrate, acetate, and propionate, which is really beneficial for your metabolic health, right? Then we have medium chain fatty acids, which are basically coconut oil and MCT oil, which actually bypasses your normal digestion process and goes to the liver, where liver chops these fatty acids and convert into ketone bodies. And these ketone bodies are superfuel for your mitochondria. So it improves the efficiency of these ketone bodies, improve the efficiency of your mitochondria. And it is also found that ketone bodies actually modulate gene expression, which are associated with longevity and cellular resilience, right? And third, and the most important is, the long chain fatty acids. Now, we have different long chain fatty acids. For instance, we have C15, which is pentadecanoic acid. Then we have C16, which is palmitic acid. And then we have C18, which is called stearic acid. Now, C15 is an odd chain saturated fatty acid, and it is most essential fatty acid as it actually integrates into your cell membrane, right? It it is actually it activates AMPK, it activates PPAR alpha, it actually inhibits mTOR and inhibits JAK-STAT. So it is a key molecule for your overall longevity, right? So C15 can be incorporated into your cell. It is actually incorporated in your cell membrane. It forms part of complex lipid, right? And then it could also be broken down into free fatty acids that is used to activate AMPK and PPAR, right? And all of these longevity pathways, right? Then we have C16, which is palmitic acid, which is really harmful, which is pro-inflammatory, right? And which actually is associated with obesity and cardiovascular diseases. And then we have, stearic acid, which is said to be beneficial because it promotes mitochondrial health and also prevents fatty liver, right? So these are the form of fatty acids, and we need to understand each of these forms of these fatty acids because our body interacts with them in a very, with each of them in a very unique way, right? Now, let us understand the biochemistry. So when we are consuming fatty acids, your liver actually, synthesizes these fatty acids and convert them to triglycerides. Now, these triglycerides are either stored in cytoplasmic lipid droplets, right, where these lipid droplets have a very important role as they regulate cellular processes. They,